We have been here in all summer, the lead up to the Rosie Foundation fish fry to give back to the needy in Jamaica. Tell us why you started this initiative.
Actually, my daughter here, she motivated me.
Right.
I remember like over 10 years ago, she used to go in Kingston, Spanish Town, all over and feed the elderly and the disabled. And it was so much joy. And also, she used to go to the school and give away book bags and different school supplies to the children. And she didn't get to do it in a while. She went to Colombia. So that inspired me. She inspired me.
So when did the Rosie Foundation start?
It started 4 years ago.
4 years ago?
Yes, when I decided to go to Jamaica and when I realized how many people were in need, especially the elderly and the disabled.
So that's your primary target, the elderly and disabled?
Yes, and the young kids who are in school who cannot afford to go to school because they are the future.
Right.
I think it's so good that we're a part of an organization that gives back to Jamaica, that supports Jamaica. We are so proud to be a part of it. Rosie is always helping. You see the work that she did. I always said we have a dream that if all of us that live in America as Jamaicans could just help each other instead of fighting against each other or trying to tear each other down, but if all of us could work together as a team, we being here could help to make Jamaica such a better place.
Well, it's all about giving back, helping the people of Jamaica, and that is very important to me. It's a cause that I met Rosie a couple of years ago, and she introduced me to this foundation. And from ever since, I've been an advocate, pushing for Rosie Foundation to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And with that, I donate from the outside lounge to the foundation because I believe in the cause. I want to see foundation like these help our people in Jamaica.
Dr. Dixon, welcome. Welcome to Rosie Foundation annual charity fish fry. And you know what this is for already, because of course, you know whatever she does is pretty much transparent, and you know what she's doing. I know it's no joke, that's why you're here. If it was a bluff, you wouldn't have been here. You like people who are serious and people who are on a mission and doing the right thing. So again, we welcome you and we appreciate you. Wonderful love you're here, man. Trust me, man. You make it happen. You make it work.
Well, Ricky, I heard you mention Rosie Foundation, you know. She has supported my events. Not on her business sometimes to support my events. So that says volumes of the kind of person she is. And when you come here and you see the amount of people that are here, it's quite evident.
This has been like this all day. We started from like 12, from earlier than 12.
Yeah.
Actually, because people from far away, they deliver. My wife did a lot of delivery this morning.
Yes.
Right, so it's even earlier than that.
Well, I'm happy to support Rosie Foundation. Ricky Genius is on board. And you know, you have integrity in this thing. So we're on board, JAHJAH Foundation is on board. We work together to get things done in Jamaica. And it's all about Jamaica. It's all about the underserved and those less fortunate in Kingston or wherever in Jamaica they are.
You have to support, you know? You can't just take, you have to give. These are my children. We came to support Rosie. Big up and respect, yeah? Much love.
Yeah, man, respect.
All right?
Yeah,
give. Always give back. Respect, yeah?
The Queen's in the building.
Lively.
Queen's in the building. You remember culture-wise, we'll joke out the vulture eyes and come back with the ultra prize. You ever hear about Money Greens, Energy Mondays, we are lockdown queens. Money Green in the building, the same shirt pretty.
Lively.
Rich.
Rich and not
Everything sell off, baby. Always.
Nice.
We're having a blast.
We're having a blast. Rosie Foundation.
Come on, let's have a toast. Let's have a toast to Rosie.
Rosie Foundation from the Congress.